Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Cat owners with several felines, apartment dwellers dealing with close quarter smells, and busy parents who need a low-maintenance litter solution are the three groups that benefit most from ARM&HAMMERClump-SealPlatinumCatLitter. For a household of 3 cats, the patented odor-sealing technology locks away waste the moment it contacts the moisture-activated microgranules, keeping the living room fresh for up to 14 days without daily spray products. A remote working professional living in a studio appreciates the rock-hard clumps that scoop cleanly, eliminating the need to scrub the pan after each change. The formula contains 10% more baking soda-based odor eliminators, so even a sudden litter box accident in a small apartment is neutralized instantly, making the space feel consistently clean. With 37 pounds of litter lasting weeks, the price per use drops dramatically, encouraging repeat purchases.